Good morning, class. Today we are going to start our new topic, parabola. What is parabola? A parabola is a locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point in the plane is always equal to its distance from a fixed straight line in the same plane. The fixed point is called focus of the parabola, and the fixed straight line is called directrix of the parabola. Z dash is the fixed straight line, and S is a fixed point. Fixed point means it is focus. Fixed straight line means it is directrix. And P be any point on parabola. Then by the definition we have distance of point P from fixed point focus. Distance of point P from focus is always equal to the distance of point P from fixed line, that is PM. PM is perpendicular line from point P to ZZ dash, means directrix. Let S be the focus and ZZ dash be the directrix of parabola, and P is any point on parabola. Then by the definition, PS is always equal to PM. It is condition for parabola. Now, if we sketch a roughly diagram of parabola, suppose it is parabola and it is directrix. It is any another line. It is directrix and it is focus. Now, P is any point on parabola. Then we have distance of point P from focus is equal to distance of point P from fixed line, means PS equal PM. The line through the focus and the perpendicular to the directrix is axis of parabola, means the line through the focus. It is the line through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix. It is perpendicular to the directrix. Then this line is called axis of parabola. It is axis of parabola, means this line is called axis of parabola. It is passes through focus and perpendicular to directrix. Also, the point on the axis midway between the focus and directrix, means the point on axis midway between focus and directrix. The point on the axis midway between the directrix and the focus is called vertex. It is vertex. It is V point and vertex. It is K point, then V is the midpoint of K and KS, and it is called vertex. Now the question is, find the equation of parabola whose focus -3, 2 and the directrix is x plus y equal 4. Let it is directrix x plus y equal 4. Z. It is directrix and focus is S -3, 2. Let P is any point on parabola, then distance between PS is equal to distance between the directrix and point P, means it is equal to PM. Let P bracket x comma y is any point on parabola then by the definition also coordinate of focus is S -3, 2 and equation of directrix then by definition PS is equal to PM. PS is the distance between point P and S, distance between 2 points. And PM is the length of perpendicular from an external point to a given line. The length of perpendicular from x1, y1 to a given line ax plus by plus c equal 0 is given by ax1 plus by1 plus c z1. Sorry, ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Then distance of point P from the line x plus y equal 4 is ax1 1 into x plus 1 into y, a into x1, b into y1, c by under root a square plus b square. Now squaring both sides, we have on solving two x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square 4 minus 4y equal x square plus y square plus 16 plus 2xy minus 8x minus 8y. Now shift this time to LHS. We have x square y square minus 2xy (20x) y cancel out, 13 to the 26 minus 16 is 10, which is required equation of parabola.